see. I don't like pictures or videos that much.
But Kaylee, I love you.
I'm staying for the meeting.
That always looks weird to me. I'm sorry, I'm easily distracted.
I didn't bring my watch. Does yours smell funny when you take it off?
No.
Oh. Why the hell's it only mine?
I have no idea.
Mine, like at the end of any day, it makes my watch and my wrist smell like feet for like an hour. And it's bad feet.
Then maybe it needs to be loosened, like mine is.
Maybe I just need to stop sweating. Maybe I just need to stop doing human things. Maybe I should start panting. I should take up panting as a hobby.
No. No. Do not be like Miley Cyrus.
Do not come in like a wrecking ball? I came in like a wrecking ball. I can't be tamed.
That one I haven't listened to.
That was
Actually, I think I have, but I only listened to it once.
only slightly pre-whore Miley. Can't be tamed. That was when she was still doing Hannah Montana.
Really?
Yeah.
Seems like it was part of her transformation.
Like at the end of when she was doing Hannah Montana.
I wish they hadn't ended it. I honestly wish they hadn't ended it. Stop. Now that is clearly visible. Just because you picked at it. Still there. Still there.
I don't wear makeup. I may I may have to start.
I can loan you some.
Does it match my skin?
It matches mine.
Okay, it'll match mine.
Yeah, if you mix it with a very tiny bit of bronzer, then it'll match yours.
I'm only slightly darker than you.
I know.
Just
And I'm like a
slightly.
freaking vampire, so.
Bruce is like a Georgia peach.
Yep.
Does,
I am a Georgia peach.
does not bruise like a Georgia peach. Doesn't. Ladies, look at your man. Now back at me. Then to the lampshade. Now back at me.
Why?
Because it's funny. Now at the silly heart I drew. Now back at me.
Mine.
But I drew it.
Mine now.
What about all the other ones that are surrounding it?
Those
There
are hearts.
There are more. Yes.
Those are X's and O's, not hearts.
Oh, I forget.
That's still recording.
Yep.
No, wait.
No, wait.
Leave it recording for the entire time.
Yep.
Till you get off.
Oh, leave it. Okay.
Stop.
I'm gonna shave that mustache.
Why?
Do you not want me to?
It looks cute on you.
And my goat beard, when that grows back. My goat stubble. You like that too?
Yes.
Okay. And the sniper dot. Nobody likes that. Nobody likes the pus-filled sniper dot. You're getting ice cubed.
I use that face to creep out my friends.
Hey,
Okay, that hurt my eyes.
what did?
The sudden light. And there's a dead bug there.
So there was a vine
Oh.
of a dead squirrel and this black guy talking over it. Damn, Sandy Cheeks. She should have stayed your ass in Bikini Bottom. Cause the it looks so terrible. It wasn't even like completely flattened. So it wasn't roadkill because there were no tire tracks. But I can't imagine a black guy hunting.
Ever seen a kitten with a sniper rifle?
Yes.
That's adorable yet freaky.
And puppies. That is the most frightening thing I've ever seen in my life. No, wait, that is.
Cats
Sure.
are more devious. It's scarier if it's a cat.
But dogs are less likely. You wouldn't expect a dog. Oh, hey, Rover. When it's cats, they're inherently evil. They're inherently with the god complex and everything.
Not all cats. Okay, maybe all of my cats, but not all cats.
And my cat. My cat died.
Which one?
The only one I remember. The one that I told you was cremated. The one that I have on my dresser. He was in human years, like in his 80s or 90s, and he was a fat ass.
How many jars did it take?
Speak ill of the dead. It's just one little one.
Little?
Little.
Well then.
I guess, like, when you burn it, mass floats up. I imagine it's full to the brim.
Yeah, that's not disturbing at all.
They didn't weigh him before he died. But I imagine somewhere in the 20 pounds.
Holy crap, 20 pounds?
Yes.
That's bigger than my cat.
Well, your cat still has a long way to go.
I'm not gonna let her get that big.
But we didn't have a choice. It was an apartment. And it wasn't very active.
You know which cat I was referring to, right?
The one that doesn't like me.
Yeah. I don't know why she keeps shying away from you.
It's because I'm white. You racist cat.
So what am I?
Twilight.
So what, she's a werecat?
She is a werecat. When you were born, that cat was like, I must protect this human. I love it. That's how that works.
Or she's like that vampire cat. Oh dear God, no. No, werecat.
Let's not make it creepy.
Yeah, she doesn't drink blood. As far as I know. Though she does like to kill.
I can't upload videos to DeviantArt. Cause frickin' the musical Smurf did it. What's her name?
She did?
Yeah, she has like a bunch of a couple music videos from her YouTube on DeviantArt.
On journals or?
Journals.
Yeah, I know how to do that.
I didn't know you could do that.
There's a certain code that you have to type in.
Ah, bull. Too much work.
You can copy it and then put in the video code.
Oh, I just copy paste it. Cause I've done that. With the... I'm stupid.
No, you're not.
I'm straight dumb. I've even done it and said it's too much work. God.
At least you don't sound like a hyena.
I don't know if I can do that. As many times as I've heard a real coyote, hyena, I don't know if I can do that. Coyote-ina.
That's too weird.
That's what happens when a hyena rapes a coyote. And then